Cover strips are a great way to add that final aesthetic touch to the DuraPost fencing range. Our accessories range includes strips to cover both our classic post and the DuraPost U-channel. The strips come in 4 colours: anthracite grey, black, sepia brown and olive grey. Cover strip washers, supplied with each cover strip, are placed onto the post and secured using our colour matched screws. The post then slides over the washers. The process is the same for the U-channel, but with the washers applied vertically.